Welcome back students to my channel City. I'm so sorry for the late update. So today we had our IELTS test, that is 30 October 2021 real IELTS test complete review, and this video we are going to discuss about the morning slot. Okay. Again, it's very happy to announce that our prediction gone 100% accurate, including the essay question. So we'll see about it. First, about the listening module. In part 1, they got fill up type of question, and the word limit was one word and or a number. And in part 2, they got short MCQs along with selection of letter type of question. And in part 3, with large MCQs and match the information type of question while hearing an academic discussion. And in part 4, they got fill up type of question. It was one word only. It was a monologue related to academic topic. So overall, the listening module was in moderate level and the audio was little bit fast in case of part 3 and also part 4. So we can say it is in moderate level only. Okay, so that's regarding the listening module. Now we'll see about the reading module. I will update the listening and reading answers if I get the complete answers means as soon as possible. So now about the reading module. The passage 1 was living in a noisy world. It was related to the noise pollution, and the question category was fill up type of question and true false not given type of question. So if you find any of the question category is not correct or mismatch means please comment that below. Okay, because I am in rush, that's why. So in the passage to you, the heading was a new way of reading. That was the heading, and the question category was match the information type of question, selection of letter type of question, and they got fill up type of question. Then in passage 3, the heading was value of self-esteem. It was related to self-esteem. The question category was match the information type of question and fill up type of question. So as I mentioned, if you find any of the question category is mismatching means please comment that below and try to write about your review regarding today's test also. That means about your experience, how you felt. Anyway, the reading module was in easy to moderate level. It was not so tricky or difficult. We can say it is easy to moderate level. So as I mentioned, I will publish the answers as soon as possible. Okay, now regarding the writing module, as we predicted, it was a line graph. It was a simple line graph, and I will show you the question also. It was related to the production and consumption of sugar. The graph below shows the consumption and production of sugar in India from 2001 to 2011. It a simple chart. You can just divide your body paragraph based on the parameter, that means sugar production in first body and sugar consumption in second body. I will publish the model answer in the community tab of YouTube and Facebook page with the question and answer, so you can just go through that. Then regarding the task 2, as we predicted, it was an opinion type essay under 2 what extent, and the same question we included in our prediction list too. So here you can see the question: when new towns are planned, it is important to build more public parks or sports facilities than shopping center for people to spend their free time. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here you can see under the government role, I mentioned this same question in 13th October 2021 IELTS essay prediction. So here it's coming under to what extent time. So you need to mention about the importance of shopping malls and also about the importance of these sports facilities and gymnasium. So you need to divide your body paragraph into two. So in the first body paragraph, you can write about the agreement side, and second body paragraph about the disagreement side with proper explanation and example. So that's about the structure. I hope you all attended well. So thank you so much for watching and all the very best for your results. So stay tuned for more updates.